Hello everyone! Welcome to Golden Corner of English Massive with me, Miss Betty. In this video, we are going to talk about adjective, comparative, and superlative. In the previous episode, you have to learn about adjective and comparative, and this is the link. So today, we will be more focusing in superlative material. While I explaining these videos, you may prepare your notebook or your pen to write down some unfamiliar word because in the end of the videos, I have some quiz to you. Okay, are you ready guys? Before I will continue the material today, I will give you the picture. And this is the picture. Can you find the differences about the picture? Yes, from this picture we know that Ray is fatter than Nico. And how about our second picture? In the second picture, Reddit is taller than Matt. So guys, can you guess what we will talk about in these videos? Yes, in these videos we will talk about superlative material. What is superlative? Superlative adjectives are words used to describe a noun comparing two nouns or more because it's the highest and the lowest, like big, bigger, biggest, fat, fatter, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest. Like with the comparative adjective, it not always use the simple adding like est, but the number of the syllable, some word using the adding of y. So let's check to make some sentences. Ray is the tallest. So guys, I hope you understand with my explanation today, and let's take a look of the material today. Now please choose the correct answer in comment below. So guys, that's all about our material today. Hope you like about these videos. This videos today is talk about superlative. So don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Stay healthy everyone. Thank you. Goodbye!